Greetings, Mark Brown here. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna add a landscape document with alongside a portrait document in Microsoft Word. Yes, because when you open Microsoft Word, if you notice, it actually open like this. So this is a portrait. I want to add a landscape like this to the document. Yes, very important. So I'm gonna take you through that particular area to see exactly what's going on. But if you notice this itself, this is a document. But if you notice, it's actually in portrait. So I want to put the next page in landscape, right? So what I wanted to do, I'm going to put the cursor right down here. Let me shift back this up here. All right, so I want to put the cursor down to the, coming down right down here. So now I have it right there. Now what I wanted to do, definitely, all right, I want to click right here, up to this side, all right, layout right here. Some of you might have layout only, but I'm going to click right here. Page layout. So when I click on page layout now, I can come right here, so margin. One click. Margin, I come all the way down here, so it's a custom margin. Now when I click on custom margin, what will happen? It will bring up this little dialog box right here. Right, very important. They're gonna click right here on landscape. Now when I click on landscape, you're gonna come all the way down here. You're gonna click right here, say apply. You click. You notice it said this point forward. You're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna click on OK. Right, so notice this is our landscape document, and also this is our portrait document. Right, very important. So if you want to add another portrait to this landscape, now what you wanted to do, cursor down here, right here, you can also come right here. You notice, take me back same place. Again, click on portrait, come right here, look up point, click. Right, you notice at this point forward, you click on OK. If you notice, we have a portrait document right here. We have a landscape one right here, notice, right here. So definitely this is where you can actually add a landscape and a portrait right in Microsoft Word. So for instance, you're doing something and you want it to be much wider, you can actually do that. So just follow the step as you go. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.